Another day, another English lesson. A fair exchange, if you, plus present tense. I, plus future tense. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to learn a very useful way to talk about deals and plans in English. It's all about using the structure, if you, plus present tense, I, plus future tense. This is a friendly and practical way to make deals, help each other, or plan something together. Let's look at the different parts of this structure. If you plus present tense, this is the first part of the sentence. You use it to talk about something the other person can do. For example, if you help me. If you don't call me. If you clean the room. I plus future tense, this is the second part of the sentence. You use it to say what you will do in return. For example, I will help you. I won't tell you the news. I will cook dinner. When you put them together, it sounds like this. If you help me, I will help you. If you call me, I will tell you the news. If you clean the room, I will cook dinner.
When can you use this? You can use this structure in many everyday situations. Making deals. If you give me a discount, I will buy two. Offering help. If you carry the bags, I will open the door. Making promises. If you study, I will take you to the zoo. Planning together. If you bring the snacks, I will bring the drinks. It's a great way to be polite, friendly, and clear when you want to work with someone or make a plan. Now, complete the sentences with the correct form of the verbs in parentheses. Sometimes the verbs are not in the correct order. One. If you help me with my homework, I will buy you a coffee. 2. If you lend me your dictionary, I will return it tomorrow. 3. If you do not tell anyone my secret, I will share one with you. 4. If you explain this to me, I will let you borrow my notes. 5. If you show me how to use this app, I will fix your phone. 6. If you help me carry these bags, I will open the door for you. 7. If you send me the document, I will check your writing. 8. If you give me a ride, I will pay for parking. 9. If you teach me how to cook this dish, I will invite you over to eat it with me. Ten. If you introduce me to your boss, I will ask him for a job. I hope you'll watch more worldwide ELT English language learning videos in the future. See you soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell.